Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Telegram wallet in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Once you're in Telegram, go to your wallet by tapping on the wallet icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, tap on Add Crypto and choose how do you want to add crypto. I'll choose this one. It will show you to add phone number, click continue, share contact. Now you just need to fill this up. Once you're done filling up all the information that they ask, it will show how you are verified. But in my case, I'm not verified because I'm in unsupported region. And that's how easily you will verify your Telegram wallet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.